Prayer for peace in the home. Dear Father, I come to you full of sadness at the atmosphere of discord in our home. I feel each of us, Father, has so much goodness to offer and so much love towards others, and yet we continue to hurt one another so needlessly. We do know all about tolerance and adjustment and reaching out, and yet at the crucial time, it is our own selfishness and pride that come to the fore. I feel so helpless and hopeless and afraid also that this might lead to a permanent rift and break in our relationship and our home. Father, I come to you acknowledging our helplessness to help ourselves. I know it is only you who can change all this and bring harmony and peace back into our life. I pray for this, Father, through Jesus, your infant Son. Amen.
Benefits of this prayer. This prayer is beneficial to solve the conflicts among our loved ones. It also helps to bring harmony and peace back into our life.
Please subscribe our channel Divine Faith Prakash Brightness and click the bell icon beside it and turn to all notifications from it. You will get the notifications of our latest videos. Please like, share and comment this video. Thank you very much.